Friends, welcome to my channel Maths Guru Ojha. In this video, I will discuss about Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. Now, we should know what is Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, which is a 3 years course divided into 6 semesters. So, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication is an undergraduate program that provides with knowledge about various journalistic skills in mass media such as newspapers, television, radio, internet. It also informs students about various technology, equipment and software involved in mass media. We know that in present scenario in mass media different communication skill, with that different technology is also used. Now the mass media has become highly digital, so a student will get all idea of technology in this particular course, that is Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. Now what are the different career opportunities? So BJMC is now a high career opportunity providing course. The job areas are journals, news agencies, TV channels, All India Radio, newspaper, advertising agencies. And what type of jobs we can get? We can get feature writer, then we can become correspondent, we can become journalist, we can become photojournalist, and so many such jobs are available in this particular course. So these are the some job profiles and these are the some employment areas. Now why we should opt for Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication? Because after completing the course we may get a very high remuneration. Here we can see a journalist may get 3.5 lakh per annum, a media consultant gets 6.2 lakh per annum. Now what are the top recruiters of BJMC graduate course? So it is Outlook, All India Radio, Doordarshan, G News, Indian Express and so on. Now what is the procedure to take entrance examination, or what is the procedure to take admission in BJMC? That we have to appear for entrance examination, and the criteria to appear for the entrance examination is that one student must pass 12 from any stream, must have 50% or above marks, age limit must be minimum 17 years. This parameter may change from institute to institute, that is based on their policies of the institution. Some institution may demand for more than 60% marks. Now what type of questions will come in BJMC examination, entrance examination? So objective and MCQ type of questions will come, where time duration will be 1.5 hours and total marks will be 100. So if you want to appear for entrance examination, you should know that only MCQ or objective types questions will come. But after passing the entrance examination, in some colleges students may have to appear for personal interview or group discussion round for the selection procedure. But this is not for all colleges. Some colleges may take direct admission also on the basis of class 12 marks, that is on the basis of merit list. So the entrance examination or the procedure may change from college to college. But what are the subjects which are included in entrance? It is English, logical reasoning, current affairs, general awareness and media aptitude. Each subject of 25 marks. All total 100 marks question will come. Now what type of questions will come in English or logical reasoning or current affairs? In English basically your comprehension, correct error, such type of grammatical questions will come. In general awareness the questions will come from history, geography, political science. Logical reasoning we know only based whatever questions will come in that, and media aptitudes. So these are the things which you know about the entrance examination. Now what are the skills one student must possess to appear in this course? The student must have a flair of writing, excellent communication skill, interviewing skill, critical thinking, high confidence, observation skill. Because if you want to become as a journalist, you must possess these skills to success in your field. So if you want to appear for this Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, you first inquiry that do you possess all these skills or not. Now what are the top BJMC entrance examination centers in India, or exams are there in India? It is Indian Institute of Journalism and Mass Communication, Jamia Millia Common Entrance Test, Xavier Institute of Mass Communication Entrance Exam. Out of many, I have written these three. But other than these three also, some top BJMC entrance exams are there in India, which we can appear. But out of that all, I have written here these three. So we can see that what are the courses, basic courses included in BJMC. It is cybercrime, radio journalism, public relation, tribal study, design and graphics, computer applications. So as in 6 semester different courses we have to study, but that courses, if we broadly divide, we have to see that these courses belongs to these categories only. So I hope this video, if you like, kindly share to others, and thanks for watching my channel and supporting my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and kindly share to others so that they can also get an idea of BJMC. So once again,